Many of us are thinking whether we'll get job after lockdown. Most of us are worried whether we'll be fully paid or not. All the businessmen, they are thinking whether they will be able to sell or not. But today I'm going to share with you one great insight and one single word which will change the way you think. If you do this, you will not only get job, but you will get higher salary. If you do this, you will not only have good sales, but you will have more revenue too. So let us talk about it. We'll start with a story. There was one fine gentleman who went to a telephone booth and made a call. And he called up and someone overheard him talking. And he was trying to explain to a gentleman on a phone that please give him a job. He's an accountant. He's ready to do everything. He knows SAP. He knows the online GST. He knows the tally. He was urging on phone, please give him a job. He thinks that he will lose a job. To an extent, he was ready and he told that I'll be ready to work at half the salary. He says that I'll work at the half the salary to what you are currently giving to your account. Still, he added few more things and he told that I will do other tasks of your organization. I'll manage the admin staff also, but please make me your accountant. But he was not given the job. There was one person who overheard this conversation and he told him that I think you need a job and you desperately need a job. I can manage a job for you. Do you know what that gentleman who made a call told him? He said that no, I don't need a job. Actually, I made a call to my own boss from this telephone booth so that I wanted to check whether I am required in his organization or not. Friends, how many of us are ready to make a call to our boss from an anonymous number and ask him, I'm ready to work at half the salary? And more interesting is, what do you think if you will call, what your boss would say? So what I want to tell here is, just imagine and think what was that one aspect which made the boss refuse the proposal from that anonymous call. And that one word is trust. Yes, dear friends, that boss must have trusted him like anything. He is the accountant and he knows all the financial in and out, all the secrets of the organization. So he could not trust a person. Let's imagine that the salary of that accountant was around 40,000, but he did not wanted to risk his entire business and the financial parts of his business with just saving of 20,000. So we all need to ask this same question. Do our boss or would our boss trust us, or does our boss trust us? If he would trust us, he would not look at the amount or the salary. Let us take this example and we move out of accounting. Imagine there was one gentleman who was working in research and development department. Someone else offers half a salary, but if the boss thinks that this is the person whom I trust, who would not give away the research which we have done for the last 5 years, he would keep him. Similarly, it applies for all the jobs in your organization wherever you are working. So does your organization trust you, and have you done something by which people would trust you? So it is this one word which will not only give you the regular employment, but it also generate a lot of earning to you. People and the organization would be ready to pay you more. Let me tell you one more example, and we were discussing with one of my previous students and he narrated that there is one word on which the entire diamond industry works, and the entire diamond industry works on one word, and that is trust. Now what is that, and what trust level we are talking about is that he just gave me an astonishing example. I would like to ask you, if you got an opportunity that you could buy it from a manufacturer and on the other hand you could buy it from a wholesaler, whom would you buy it from? Would you buy it from a manufacturer or a wholesaler? I'm sure we all will say obviously we'll buy it from the manufacturer. But he narrated an incident whereby the consumers or the people who import from India, they are ready and they opt for a wholesaler instead of a manufacturer because they do not trust that the manufacturer would give it at the right time, at the right place, and in the right quality which they want. But the wholesaler, we are working with the wholesaler since last 10 years, and he has been fulfilling all the requirement since all the 10 years. So do your customer trust you? And this is an absolutely astonishing example whereby the entire diamond industry works, and it works on the one word, and that is trust. Let me give you one more example. We started a firm which is an IT firm, and the entire our firm was dependent upon the deliverables of the software guy whom we hired. Now imagine if that software guy would charge us for 2 lakh rupees, but he does not deliver at the right time in the right quality. The entire business which we want to do, it might be of 10 crore or 50 crore, depends upon that 2 lakh value. So I don't want to risk my 10 lakh rupees because of just saving of 1 lakh rupees of a 50% discount is given. Similarly, the same problem is with if I don't trust the software developer that he will steal my idea. Let us take an example. Facebook is not the idea. We all know who is the CEO of Facebook. He is Mark Zuckerberg, but he is not the one who got this idea. The idea was of Winklevoss brothers. So if people don't trust you with your idea, if people don't trust you with their money, if people don't trust you with their business, they will not give you business. They will not give you job. They will not give you salary. So all those who are afraid that whether they will be getting job or not, whether they will be getting salary or not, please inculcate this trust. Do whatever you can in order to build that trust. So it is that one word which will give you more salary and which will generate a lot of sales to you. I hope this is useful. I am Dr. Nirav Majmudar. Please stay connected and please share this wisdom with all. Thank you so much.